20 bell pickup. Ace Hardware. Webster Brothers. What's up, guys? Chris All here with Ray's Landscaping. Just touched down to the job site. As you saw in the previous clip, we just picked up the pine needles, so now we're about to get started. I'm gonna give you a walkthrough of the project first. It's pretty easy, man. I tried to upsell the client on allowing us to clean out the beds first, but she didn't want that, which is fine. They was blowing the leaves in the beds throughout the fall season, so it's really not much. But once the needles get on top, you won't be able to see it. So I could kind of understand that, but I think it's very important to always try to upsell and cross-sell when you go out here and see these estimates. You know, if you come out for pine needles, try to upsell on mulch, or if you come out for estimate for pine needles, maybe try to cross-sell them on like a barrier or cleaning out the beds like I did, something in that nature. So other than that, we can go ahead and get started. Like I said, we got the needles, brought some rakes, and also the edger to get the bed nice and tucked once the needles are finally laid. So see what we got. And I am by myself today, which is no problem because it's a smooth job. But tomorrow we have a pretty big job, and Saturday we have a big job, so I'll have some help those 2 days. That's what we're working with. As you see, it's not much at all. It's not much. Should be a fun little project. And I did bring the blower, so we're gonna take the blower and just kind of curl the needles after it's all said and done. So it's not much at all. Get this up. And I always take videos, man, when I come and do the estimate, just because sometimes I might book a project and it might be a week or 2 weeks out. So I think it's important to remember what I'm doing, you know? So we're gonna stop right here. You can kind of see where the mulch ends at. See where the mulch ends at, that's where we're gonna stop the needles at. And just swing it on around the beds. Light work, light work. So my plan is to bring down all of the needles first before we get started on before I get started on spreading them out. I feel like it's a lot easier that way instead of doing a lot of backtracking. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull everything down, and when I get ready to spread it'll be too easy. Somebody over here been doing needles, the neighbors right beside her. So it's good. Now we're gonna get this one looking good. So these are plants right here. As you see, as they continue to bloom, it'll come up through the pine needle, so I'm really not worried about that. But the leaves, I did try to tuck pine needles inside where the tree is, just to, you know, make it look good. So you really can't tell. That's the plan, just to kind of get up under those shrubs, under the bushes real good. It's coming along, man, coming along. Got the yard signs on the job, so if anybody roll by, they see who doing this beautiful work. Yard signs on the truck. Company uniforms. Let's get it. Getting close to the finish, guys. It's coming along good. All right, so I got all the needles put out all the way around. Starting to drizzle a little bit, but that's cool because it's just cooling me down. So I'm gonna just make sure I double check and get all of the strings up. Come back here with the blower and tighten everything up, roll the needles, and this one will be in the books. Hope you guys are enjoying so far. That's what it looks like before. I roll the needles. I'll show you the after. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure I blow all of this stuff off like that, you know? Make sure it look good back here. Bad, not bad. Not bad. Needles rolled. Nice and tight. Hear the rain. So I need to grab one more bale for this spot right here. Other than that, everything else looks good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave me some comments. Let me know if you guys are doing any install jobs right now. Like, comment, subscribe.